Hey guys, it's Cody here, and today we have a guest. It's my shadow. It just happened. So we're doing another challenge from Naomi's book. I'll leave everything down below. So today is challenge number 2, and we're gonna do creative curls without any heat. I'm gonna attempt to do curls with straws. I have done this before. It takes a long time and it takes a lot of straws, and that's everything I have. So I will curl, I guess I will try to do with my straws the front of my head, and for the rest of the hair we're gonna use these things. They work very well as well, but the curls are gonna be very different from these. I will curl my hair, and in the evening I'm gonna go somewhere. I'm gonna have a walk on my treadmill. Okay, the first step is to wet my hair, so I have to go and wet my hair. Okay, now that we look like this, we need to figure out a strategy. So the curls with the straws are very tight curls. It's very important to curl the ends of your hair, apparently. This is great. This is not that bad. I thought it's gonna be way harder. Curling it up. Up, up, up we go. Yeah. No, my god! The problem is with curly hair is that I don't love myself with curly hair. I just look like a ball. And also, side note, I don't really have a lot of patience, apparently, what I realized. I'll probably make it work anyways. Like, I'm not sure if I want to look good or I just want to participate, you know? Is this fun? I underestimated my power in counting because I have a lot of left and I have one big strand left of hair and I'm doing pretty well. But this is actually not that hard. It took me like 10 minutes? How do I look from the back? Do I look good? Does it look good? You know, with these challenges, I'm just realizing I'm actually very good at things. Mediocrely good. I mean, should I use this contraption to just curl it a bit? I think the front pieces are gonna look bad. That's my prediction. So now I'm gonna wait for this to dry. Should I put this on, like, to keep it together? I have the devil horns covering up my true side, my evil side. So now that we're waiting for my hair to curl, I thought I'd do my makeup. And I actually can do another challenge, makeup related. So it's 2 challenges in one video. Oh my god, look at me. I'm multitasking. Challenge 21st, snatched liner. Meaning that I need to try a liner that I have never tried before. Oh look, you're in a different angle. I am going to attempt to do this look. The fact that I look like this right now, I look like a babushka. So what we have here, we have white eyebrows, very intense lashes, which I don't have. We have a very intense black lipstick, which I don't have. The only thing I have is the liner that I can do something with. Like, it looks amazing. Like, I'm not gonna look like her, but I'm gonna look like something. You know, it's important to try something that you're scared of, and I am scared of that picture because it looks so good. I'm using a white pencil and it's kind of working. I'm so easily impressed. We don't have the makeup skills and makeup products that she's using, obviously, so we're just gonna do it my way. I copy people and then I get lazy and I don't have the patience and then I just happen to do something else. Is that my secret? Is that my thing? I think it will be. The more I look at myself, the more I look like a babushka. When I have very dark eyebrows, I look very angry. So this makes me look like I look like, you know what I look like? I look like a lunch lady. We should all respect lunch ladies, because apparently I am one. Like, I see a video of Naomi's where she does her makeup one way, or I see a picture of her doing something, and I'm like, oh my god, should I do that? Oh my god, like the fact that I found someone that I can really like look up to, it's really fun. So Naomi, if you're watching, hi. The fact that I look like this right now and you're seeing I can't. Whoa. Oh, wee, wow, wee. Ooh. Okay, when we're going to pose, we're gonna pose with this side, not that side. Looks bad. This side looks great. This side does not look good. Let's do the forehead. Like this. Oh my god. Oh, I made it. How is she doing that? She's like so talented, I can't even. The concentration. Oh no. It's not gonna be even. This is the moment when I'm losing my patience, you know? Okay. Does it look cool? Oh, she has been doing this for years. And I've been doing this for like 2 weeks. And I'm not getting the same results. Do I look edgy? I mean, I do kind of look nice, I'm not gonna lie. So these things really worked for the front of the hair. With the straws, I didn't have enough patience. And I think you have to keep it like overnight for like more bouncy look. But it looks like this. It looks very messy. Honestly, I like it more than very tight curls. I feel like this way it has more volume and more like character. Now the filming stops because there's background noises. This is my 2 challenges, the second and the 21st, and I'm actually pretty like happy with everything. Like, I thought I'm gonna hate it. But actually it's a look. Go to my TikTok and watch my TikTok, which I made with this look as well. This is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye!